Okay.
I guess we'll just single rider and just let the chips fall where they belong.
All right. See what we get.
Completely legitimate shipping company, Ohnaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. You will be my newest flight crew, smuggling delivering exciting cargo
I am being an engineer this time, so be it.
I need guys to defend the
this side.
pilots to navigate, and flight engineers are
Looks pretty empty.
Maybe we'll get someone nice who will put us on the same ship, but we'll see.
We'll see. Depends on luck. Oh yeah. No wait. Ooh. Stairs.
More, come on in, and then everything will be right there.
Sure.
Can you show y'all towing water?
Alright, you are overqualified. Perfect. Alright, so we need 2 pilots up front. 4 excellent. Alright, then we got 2 gunners behind, and we got 2 engineers on the back. You guys are going to be the flight color red today, okay? Head on in, it's not for the color red.
This one they would give the tickets.
Alright, 4, come on in. It'll be our 2 pilots up front. Then it'll be our 2 engineers coming
cool.
in today, helping us out.
All right.
They're going to be the flight color purple. Purple is your
Purple.
color? And then
And is there anyone behind 15?
No wait, purple is your color. You guys can discuss inside, but purple. Good luck.
Well, nobody wants to be pilot. Well, for volunteer.
Nobody wants to be pilots, we'll do it.
Oh, they're fighting for it. That's why.
Oh, they're fighting for it. Okay. All right. Let's see how many porgs are here.
Gunners directly behind them, side by side, and then engineers in the back.
Engineer.
Where are my gunners? You're my gunners? Or you're my pilots? Two pilots, engineers, engineers. There you go. Pilot controls right down and forth. Yours is up and down, look backwards, so down, up, and down, okay? Gunners will have to protect the ship and the cargo, but you don't have to protect anybody on the ship, okay? Don't worry about them. Engineers gotta fix anything the pilots are gonna break today.
All right.
If they break it on purpose or by accident, you two gotta work together today to be successful. Even if you're busy at home.
All right. I want 2 collections.
When you're firing, don't close your eyes, otherwise you won't know what you'll be missing. Engineers have to give 100% today. Unless you're donating blood, then don't do that last part. Come on, guys, head on down.
All right.
Where is blue?
Paint, Mike, paint. Paint
Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia.
Hidden Mickey.
You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Move out, my friends. See you in the cockpit. I won't be in the cockpit, of course. Take it us.
Come on in.
You're still here. Go, go.
Bags off, folks. Seatbelts on. So just make sure your bags go by your
Por
feet.
favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños. Gracias.
All right, seatbelts are going wall to the aisle by your hip.
Oh, okay.
Do we press the button?
Hold on, we're gonna wait for everybody to be buckled.
Yeah, there's stick.
All right, everybody, tug on the yellow tab, please. Pull, pull, pull on the yellow strap. Give it a pull, give it a pull. Perfect. All right, hit those flashing buttons and let's get out of here.
Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons.
Pay attention, you better drive good.
Good job, engineer.
Yeah! Where's Chewbacca?
Right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off.
Okay?
Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot.
I'm doing this!
Take evasive action! There it is! After that train! Flight engineers, fire the harpoon! Excellent! Now gunners, shoot the cargo free! Left pilot, raise! Good work! Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes! You got one! Excellent, my friends! Now power up the ship! Well, I grab the coaxium! You see, just as I promised, my friend. Let's get another container of coaxium! Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car! Gunners, shoot the train! Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in! The cargo's breaking free! Keep shooting! Jump back! Yes, yes, yes! We got the coaxium! I will grab it! You keep after the train! Come on, pilot! Gunship! Oh, that's ridiculous! Things are getting too hot! We've got to get out of here! Yes! A distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! Watch out! The Star Destroyer is collapsing! Yes, pilot! Hit the boosters! Boost! 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 Let's die! Let's get out of here! Chewie will pilot us in. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Ooh. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
We didn't do too bad. It wasn't great, but
Alright, that's $20.
yeah.
All right, damage report.
What's our damage report?
All right. Hyperdrive leak. That is not too good. Multiple well, time for you to go. And don't worry, the payment is on the way. Trust me.
All available techs, we have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing's seen better days. Better fix all that before the Wookiee sees it.